Allow me to say this, that the eagle will take the beak. What will it take? The beak, what will it do? Ithatha lo mlomo ohlebayo, lo mlomo okhuluma kabi, lo mlomo oxabana nabantu. It will take the beak that disrespect the teachers, the beak that disrespect the parents, the beak that disrespect, and it will take the beak and hit the beak on the rock and hit it until the beak will fall out and the blood will come out. It hasn't got the beak anymore. In other words, it can't eat for months and months. It will sit there with the pain and the beak has fallen, but it will wait for the regrow. When the beak regrow, it speaks the good things of God. It doesn't bite anymore. It doesn't speak ill anymore. It doesn't sow the seed of discrepancy anymore. But it brings the brothers together. After Lapo, it's not done. It takes the claws. And do you know how painful it is when you nail tear apart? But an eagle intentionally, with a purpose, a fatty glower, a skierla eiter, a fatela eiter, ear for ear. It takes the claws one by one out without claws. And the pain in its suffer, but it doesn't end up there. It will wait for the cross to regrow, and after that, it will take now the furthest. It will take now Amapigo, one by one. It will take a further of fornication, sex before marriage out. It will take a further of abortion out. It will take a further of disrespect out. It will take a further of nonsense out. It makes itself clean. I'm going to.